हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल EIC इफेक्टिव आइल्स क्लासेस। आज के वीडियो में हम 2 in 1 क्यू कार्ड करेंगे। दैट मीन कंटेंट एक क्यू कार्ड का होगा, लेकिन हमारे कवर 2 क्यू कार्ड्स होंगे। सबसे पहले हम उन क्यू कार्ड्स के नेम्स देख लेते हैं। व्हेन यू वॉक अप एक्सट्रीमली अर्ली एंड अ लॉन्ग कार जर्नी यू वेंट ऑन। स्टूडेंट्स, दोनों क्यू कार्ड्स के इंट्रोडक्शन में थोड़ी सी चेंजेस होंगी। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं ऑफ आवर फर्स्ट क्यू कार्ड, व्हेन यू वॉक अप एक्सट्रीमली अर्ली। Well, I am a punctual person and I always like to be in the proper time. I usually get up early in the morning and start up my day with a morning walk. However, here I would like to talk about a time when I got up extremely early at 3 a.m. for a road trip to Vrindavan, Mathura, and Agra. Let's move on to our second introduction. The introduction of our second cue card, a long car journey you went on. Well, I am a peripatetic, and for the same reason I love to visit new places. I have visited plethora of places within and outside Punjab via car. However, here I would like to talk about my latest long car trip to Vrindavan, Mathura, and Agra. Let's move on to our main content, जो कि दोनों क्यू कार्ड्स में सेम ही रहेगा. It is around 450 kilometers away from my hometown. I went there along with my parents and 2 siblings. We had to wake up very early. For that, at 3 a.m., we all got ready and started our journey at 4. It took about 8 hours to reach our first destination, that was Agra, and we clicked a lot of pictures over there. Some were group photos, some were selfies, while others were sole pictures of mine. After that, we visited Red Fort, and on the both places we had a guide to know about the history. Then in the evening, we drove our car towards Vrindavan and paid a visit to some temples over there. It was such a long day, as when we reached our hotel room, we all were very tired and exhausted, and we all slept within minutes after having our dinner. Then, in the next morning, we went to Mathura, and after visiting temples, we started our journey back to home. Although it was tiring, still I enjoyed a lot and had a great time together with my family, and we all were longing to go to this trip for a very long time. तो गाइस, अब हम लोग इसके फॉलो अप्स देख लेते हैं, जो कि पार्ट 3 में पूछे जाते हैं आफ्टर क्यू कार्ड. In what kind of situations people should wake up early? According to my point of view, there are plethora of times when people are supposed to reach early, such as official meetings, examinations, interviews. Indeed, I believe that individuals should be punctual. Let's move on to our next question. Why? Why बहुत पूछा जाता है पार्ट 3 में. I think if people arrive early on their destination, then they are more likely to feel comfortable with the situations, which perhaps will help them to perform better. Let's move on to our third follow-up question. Do you think it is important to be punctual? Yes, without a doubt. It is of extreme significance because of punctuality, an individual can achieve a peak of glory just by doing his all works on time. So, our next follow up question is, do you like to arrive on time? Yes, definitely. I am a punctual person and I always prefer to reach on proper time. Also, I think that this is a trait that everyone should have. Our fifth question is, why do people like to have private cars? Well, according to my perception, masses prefer private transportation over public because of the convenience they offer by not wasting waiting time as well as hold time during any journey. Besides this, by dint of own cars, they are the master of free will. Is it a good thing if everyone has their own cars? No, I don't think so. There are few reasons behind this. Firstly, if everybody owns cars, then it will not only lead to congestion on roads, but pollution will also surge due to the consumption of fuels by increased number of private vehicles. So I think it would not be good for the society. Do many families own private cars in your country? Yes, in this modern era, the majority of families have their own cars since, with the sophistication in technology, cars of every budget are available in the market, as well as popularity of loan. It has become possible for everyone to buy cars. Our eighth question is, what will cars be like in the coming era? Well, future is uncertain and nobody can tell what future holds in store for us. So it would be bit arduous for us to tell, but as far as I can think, there would be flying cars. गाइस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. वीडियो पसंद आया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड ऑल्सो लाइक एंड कमेंट एंड शेयर द वीडियो विद अदर्स.